Hi guys and welcome back to a new tutorial. My tutorial today will be about thermochromic film, and I think your question will be what is it and how we can make pictures with it, and I will explain it after my intro. Today in my tutorial I will work with a thermochromic plastic film, and now you are thinking, okay, thermochromic, what does it mean and what is it? And it's very easy explained, because the thermochromic plastic film is a black film here on my glass. And now you're thinking, okay, black film, it's very interesting. Oh, it's so boring. No, it's a very interesting material because it will change the color by heat, and if I put here warm water on it over 30 degrees, it will change the color from black to white translucent. And no, don't mix it. Translucent is not transparent. Transparent is completely clear like the glass, and translucent is in color white milky, and also the light will go through, but it's not very clear. And it's a very cool material because then I can make great patterns later on it with black and white, and this is very cool in optic. And I think the second question will be who will use this material normally, and normally it will be used by the industry. For example, if you have some heating pipes behind the wall and you like to find it where exactly the heating pipe is, you can use the thermochromic film and place it on the wall, and now you will see, okay, there's my heating pipe, and there I can make a swirl hole. Or a second example, if you are a car designer and you like to have two different designs on your car and you would like to change it by heat, you can also make a thermochromic vanish over a fancy design, and this will also have a cool effect. And I think the last question will be, where can I buy it? And normally you can buy it by Amazon, but actually at the moment it's not available because of the Brexit, I think, but maybe it will be there in the future. And then I was searching in the internet and I found a small company sitting in England, and they have also an online shop, and I bought it there. But attention, it's very expensive because you have to pay a high shipping to Europe, and you have also to pay an extra fee later on. So I bought 2 sheets of the film for about 50 euros, and later on the fee and the shipping and all together the extra fee I had again on top 50 euros, so complete I had to pay 100 euros for only 2 sheets of film, and I think this is very expensive. So please save your money and spend it more in new lens or something else, but don't buy the special films in England because it's too expensive. Or you have a big wallet, you can buy it offshore, but I think the normal person cannot buy material for 100 euros only for 2 nice pictures. But I think now let's go ahead with my materials. My first item, of course, is the thermochromic film. In black, I have it here already on glass. And my second item is a cup of hot water. It's over 30 degrees. And then I have a syringe, and then I have kitchen roll paper, and for light I have a normal torch, and to get a bit of color in my pictures I have different color folds. And then you can use a glass table, and I don't have a glass table, but if you know me, you know that I use a normal aquarium instead of a glass table. And these are all my items. And for camera, I will shoot my pictures with my Olympus OMD1 Mark II, the one who is filming me right now. And then I have the fixed focus lens with 17mm in the front. And this is my camera, and I do my pictures by hand. And now we can go ahead with my setup. My setup is very simple. First you have to take your aquarium or your glass table, and then you have to place the thermochromic film on top, and now you have to take your torch and place it below your thermochromic film, and on top of your torch you can place a color foil, and now you can take your warm water and you can make very lovely sculptures and some lovely structures, and of course you have to switch off the light. My camera settings are very simple today. I choose the manual mode, focused manually, and of course I switched on the image stabilization because I did my pictures by hand and my ISO was between 200 and 1000 and my exposure time was between 1/8 and 1/80th and my aperture was generally open. I mean, it was between 1.8 and 2.8, and now I think we can go ahead with my results. You like my tutorial, and if yes, please leave me a comment below and subscribe my channel. This would be very lovely. And I think the second part of my Thermochromic film will come soon, but first I will do a very easy tutorial for everyone who can do this at home, I promise. And now I think we will see us next Friday here on my channel with something creative. And now I wish you a good light and have a nice week. Ciao!